Hi YouTube, it's me again, and I am here with a sort of update video. As you can see, this is the menu for a test game. I don't know if you could hear my air quotes, but it's not so much of a test game as I was testing out a new feature, layered images for image like sprites in game. And I didn't want to break the code in my current game in case it didn't work, so I just created a new game to test the feature out. So here it is. So it's still really messy because I didn't put that much effort into exporting the images because I just wanted to test it. But as you can see, he only has two arms. Two arms. That's it. Only two arms. None of this three-arm business. Only two. So that's pretty. I'm pretty happy about that. So, yay, two arms. So that's great. Very good. I had trouble. I don't know if anyone watched this, but it's been a while since I posted that video. I had trouble where he would show up with three arms, but now he only has two, and everything's layered, and it's great. And yep. So that's been fixed. I will be implementing this into the game code soon. I just have a couple art related things I need to finish before I can really sink into the code. And then I just wanted to also shout out the tutorial I used, which was by what is it? Bayou or something like that. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce his name or her name or their name. I don't know. But it was a great tutorial, and I'm going to link it in the description because it was super helpful, and I definitely recommend it if someone is looking for a tutorial on how to use layered sprites. And it would definitely be worth, even though the tutorial is free, it's definitely worth it to give them a donation for their great tutorial. So yay, tutorial. Hopefully when I implement this in the main game code, he will no longer ever have three arms, and it'll be great. So that's all I made this video for, and I just wanted to say I'm still working on things. I'm not abandoning anything. I'm working on so many things. But yep, I'm really excited because this layered sprite feature is working so much better than what I was doing before, and I'm very, very happy about that. So see you in the next update whenever that is. Bye for now. Bye. Yes, let's stop recording now. Yep.